Welcome to my channel again, Coding Abby. Please subscribe my channel before watching this video to be tuned with upcoming new videos. Okay, in the last video we saw data types. Okay, this is the code from the last video. I'm erasing it now. In this video we will see what are operators. Okay, there are different kinds of operator. I have explained assignment operator, I guess, in the previous video, that is equal to symbol. Now we will see different types of operators in this video. Let's say I have two values, one of integer a. Okay, previous video we saw how to declare variables and initialize them here itself. Let's say his value is 5. Okay, or okay, we won't use any variables in this video. Let's take, I don't teach like previously I have to write something and then copy it and then explain. I write my code here itself, and in the very first place I never do any preparations before shooting a video, so I might change my plans in the video itself, so sorry for that. Okay, please bother me that much. Now we are not taking any variables, we are taking directly values. Okay, print, we will say print 2 plus 3. Okay, 2 plus 3, so this is addition operator, or the terminological name is let's say search, we will search it in Dart operators. Okay, precedence, let's say language to first link. Can we see anything here? Yeah, here is operators. So this operator is add operator or addition operator. Okay, addition operator. This is documentation of Dart. You can read it like what exactly the syntax is, how should we code, what does this. See, there are some tips written here, parenthesis, improve readability. There are some basic things written here, so you can read it. Okay, otherwise if you don't like to read too much, you can watch my videos further. I will explain everything. So this is an addition operator. Okay, similarly if I wrote here 2 minus 3, okay, 2 minus 3, let me reload it. 2 minus 3, so this is a subtraction operator. This is a subtraction operator. Then we have multiplication. Okay, control copy. We have multiplication and division. These are multiplication and division operator. Now 2 divided by 3, let's make it 5 divided by 2. Okay, what is 5? There's a message from my friend. Yeah, this is not a time to entertain, like leave it, friends will understand. 5 divided by 2 is we know that 2.5, right? It is a decimal value, but 5 is an integer, 2 is an integer, so the resultant will be 2.5, a double value. But if we want a resultant to be an integer, we have to write this symbol, and then divide symbol. Now what is this symbol? It is present on your keyboard below escape key. Okay, below escape key you can display it as shift and then that key, shift and then the below escape key. Okay, it is called as equivalent symbol in mathematics, as per I know. Equivalent, something like that. Let's not get into maths. So this will return, or this will print decimal integer values. Okay, like 5 divided by 2 is 2.5, we know that, and when it will we will truncate 2.5 Now there is a another thing. Okay, 2.5 is truncated as 3 by humans by when we do general maths, but the Dart truncates is it to the previous integer. It truncates it to the previous integer, like the previous integer for 2.1 is the nearest previous integer for 2.1 is 2. Okay, similarly for 3 it is 2, for 4.4 it is 2, or for 0.99 the previous, the condition is previous closest integer, the previous closest integer is 2 only. So all these values will be truncated to 2. Okay, now let's run this code and see what output do we get. 2 plus 3 5, yes. 2 minus 3 minus 1, right. 2 into 3 is 6, right. As I told you, 5 divided by 2, integer divided by integer sometimes give a decimal, that is 2.5. it will be displayed as a decimal, as a double, and to display it as integer rounded off to the previous closest integer, we have to use this symbol. Okay, this simple, see, truncating division operator. The name of the operator is truncating division operator. Okay, as they according to the documentation of this Dart. So let's find some another useful operators which we use. Yeah, there is a greater than or less than symbol. Now if we have print 5 greater than 2, Dart will compare 5 and 2 using this operator and tell that if this expression is true or not. Okay, the resultant of this 5 greater than true would be in 5 greater than 2 would be binary, would be boolean. So it will either display true or false in the console. Let's try running the code. See, all the previous outputs and additional output of true, because 5 is greater than 2. Yes, it is a fact. Now if I write 5 is less than 2, which is false, so when after running the code, this true will be false now, because 5 is not less than 2, right? So it is false. So this is a condition, conditional statement. 5 less than 2 or 5 greater than 2 is a conditional statement, and we are evaluating that in this inside the print statement. After that we have plus plus and minus minus or increment and decrement operators, which are very important, but we will see it in implementation directly, because it can be explained using a live example. So afterwards when we will code, we will see those operators. Okay, so that's it for the operators in Dart. Please subscribe my channel for upcoming videos so that you get a notification, and please press the bell icon. Okay, till then, bye.